Hey guys, how you guys doing? What's up? I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video we're gonna talk about Jade roller and Gua Sha. I know I haven't done a video about this before. That's because I didn't practice this. So it's been like 10 days that I've been using these tools, and I think it's really good for your skin. That's what my experience was. So I thought let's make a video about it and tell you the difference between Jade roller, Gua Sha, all these tools. So let's start. So the tools that I'm talking about, which is the Jade roller and Gua Sha, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the combo I got. So this is from Amazon, and this brand called Azaf, where you get both these tools. So this is the face roller, the Jade roller, and this is Gua Sha. So let me remove this and show it to you. This is Jade roller. So you have two sides here. This is the bigger one, and here you have the smaller one. So what we do is we just take your facial oil or cream. I'm gonna take my face cream, which is the Nutriderm one, which I always use. So I'm just gonna take my cream, apply it on my face. So this step is really important. You really need to moisturize your face, because on dry skin it won't be really good to massage your face with a roller and all. Your skin will really be like quite rough, so you don't want that. Very important is to use a nice face oil or moisturizer first. Now I will use my Jade roller. Make sure you've applied your cream here under your eyes also, because we're going to be using the tool here. So this is my Jade roller. So what we do is we just move in one direction. Okay, don't do this. We're not supposed to do that. Just move one direction like that. This is for your neck, and this is what you do here for your chin. Okay. Make sure always you're just going on one direction. So this part, what you do is slowly, don't put too much pressure. This side. So do it like 5 times. 5 to 6 times is enough, like one place. So if you're doing your chin, 1, 2, 3, 4. It feels really good, so relaxing, So that's what we did here. Now I'll show you why you have this. So this is for smaller areas like this, but be very careful when you're doing it. Don't hurt your eye. And so this is for smaller areas, as I told you, for your under eyes. Okay, so forehead. That's all. What you can do. So this is the Jade roller. So this is really easy. So if you don't have a lot of time, you can just do this. So very easy than Gua Sha, and it feels really nice in your skin, and I like to use this. So you need to store this. Usually these stones are like cool, but if you keep it in the fridge and then you use it, you feel so good, so refreshed. So you all can do that. Place it in your refrigerator and then use it. Not freezer, okay? Refrigerator. Don't keep it in the freezer. Now moving on to my next tool, which is Gua Sha. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this Gua Sha is an ancient, beauty technique that they used to do. It's a really old routine that they used to do. They used to practice this, and they've been doing it for years and years. But it's got like really popular. Everybody's doing it. So this, you have to be very careful. Technique is important, but this is really good if you want to do like this part. Just this. So here, put a little pressure here. feels so relaxing. But make sure you moisturize your face. That is very, very important, guys. So what I like to do is I use this on my face. Okay, this neck area. This is where I put a little pressure, and so I use this on my neck area. Okay, this is for your neck. Here. Don't too much pressure. This is for your chin. You can see you have this curve, right? Just place it here. Okay. And for this side, this is what you do. Don't put a lot of pressure. So it depends on you which tool you like. So once you've actually, you should get this combo where you get both these and then practice, and then you get to decide which one you like more, obviously. But yeah, if you're like running late, if you don't have a lot of time, this is super easy. Isko bas aise kiya and you're done. This takes a little more time, I feel. So that's that. Isko aise karna hai. It's really simple. And so as I told you, it helps in like blood circulation, and it's good for your skin. I've been doing it for like just 10 days. I've just started and I've heard so much about this, you know, a lot of people are doing it. So I thought, kyun nahi, you know, try kiya jaye. So y'all let me know if you guys have tried this in the comment section below, and if you have any more questions about these tools, please ask me. And yeah, very, very important thing is make sure you clean this tool, because see, you're using it on your face. So make sure your face is clean, and every time you use this, wash it with a little water, and then, you know, clean it nicely and place it. And then you use it, because then dust and all, it will just spoil your face, you'll get acne, you don't want that. So that's a very important point which I want to tell you all. So of course, if you've used this, please let me know in the comment section. Know if you have any more tips or technique on how to use this, do let me know. This is a little bit of what I know about these products, and you know, as I told you, I'm a beginner. It's just been 10 days, just telling you my experience. I find it really relaxing, that's why I'm doing it. So y'all let me know, guys, and if you have any questions, please ask me, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.